Hello kids, today we are going to learn English. Standard first, lesson number 2. So, as we already read this chapter, now let's recall. दोबारा एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. So, what was the name of our lesson? The Fearless Prince. What was the name of the lesson? The Fearless Prince. So let's read the spelling. T-H-E, the, F-E-A-R-L-E-S-S. Fearless. P-R-I-N-C-E. The Fearless Prince. So, what we have learned in our last lesson, that Prince was Prince. Prince was son of king and queen. Prince किसका son था? Prince was son of king and queen. And where he used to live? He used to live in a palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Where he used to live? He used to live in a palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. When he was living in a palace, one day what he thought? He thought to go on an adventure. So adventure पे वो कहाँ जाता है? He moved to the jungle. And to whom he met? उसको जंगल में फिर कौन मिलता है वहां पे? He met a giant. Giant कौन था? बड़ा सा राक्षस. What he said? He said to bring magical apple. राक्षस ने क्या बोला प्रिंस को? That you go and bring one magical apple for me. आप जाओ और मेरे लिए magical apple लेके आओ. How was the prince? Prince was very brave, fearless, जो किसी से कभी भी डरता नहीं था. So what prince said? Prince ने बोला okay, मैं आपके लिए apple ले आता हूँ. He bought the apple for him. When he moved to bought the apple, जब एप्पल लेने गया था तो उसको कौन मिला था रास्ते में? Lion. And lion became friendly with prince. Lion prince के साथ कैसा हो गया था? Friendly. When he became friendly, तो lion ने क्या गिफ्ट करा था उसको? Magical ring. उसकी magical ring. Ring में क्या था? जादू था, magic था. Who gifted? Lion gifted to prince. When he got the ring, then what happened? Giant was there. What did giant said? Giant said, I want your ring also. तो prince ने उसको ring दिया था? No. What did he said? This is the ring that my friend gave me. ये ring तो मेरे friend ने दिया है. Why should I give you? मैं आपको क्यों दूं? So what did giant do? Giant tricked him. Giant ने उसको फंसाया और उसके साथ लड़ाई करी. When they were fighting, who came? Lion came. Lion आया और lion ने आके क्या करा? उसको किल कर दिया. To whom? Lion killed the giant. Lion ने giant को kill कर दिया and saved the prince. And what did then lion said? Lion said, you are my friend, that's why I saved your life. आप मेरे दोस्त हो इसलिए ही मैंने आपके लाइफ को बचाया है. In return, what prince said? In return, prince ने उसको क्या बोला? Prince said, thank you. What did prince say? Thank you. Now, this was the thing that we have learned in the last lesson. Now, moving further, आगे चलते हैं अपनी स्टोरी में. Now, when the lion killed the giant, then what did Prince do? Prince started his journey again. Prince ने जो जर्नी अपना एडवेंचर करना था उसने वो करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. As Prince was moving, जब वो मूव कर रहा था जंगल में आगे आगे चलता गया, he reached to a mansion. एक कहाँ पहुंचा वो? M-A-N-S-I-O-N. What is a mansion? Mansion is a huge house, just like bungalow. आप लोगों ने वो मूवी देखा है भूत अंकल? भूत अंकल इज देयर, भूतनाथ इज देयर. वहां पे आपने देखा है बड़ा सा घर होता है. जब उस हाउस में कोई भी रहने जाता है तो हाउस में क्या करता है भूतनाथ? सबको भगा देता है ना हाउस में से कि नहीं आपको यहाँ पे नहीं आना है, नहीं आना है. सो एवरीवन वाज स्केयर्ड. सब डर जाते हैं. किससे? घोस्ट. किससे डरते हैं? घोस्ट. घोस्ट कौन होते हैं? भूत. सब बोलते हैं ना घोस्ट आर देयर, ये तो बहुत डरावना सा महल है, हमको इसमें नहीं जाना चाहिए, घोस्ट होगा यहाँ पे। सो एवरीवन यूज्ड टू गेट स्केयर्ड, बट प्रिंस वाज फियरलेस, प्रिंस को तो किसी से डर नहीं लगता था। सो एज ही रीच टू द मेंशन, ही हर्ड, उसको पता चला कि यहाँ पे तो घोस्ट रहते हैं। सो व्हाट विल डू, फर्स्ट विल रीड द स्पेलिंग, MANSION, mention. Then spelling of ghost, GHOSTS, ghost. When the prince went inside nearby the haunted house, what did he heard? He heard from the people, उसने लोगों से क्या सुना? That inside this big mansion, इस बड़े से हाउस के अंदर one princess is over there. Who is there? Princess. The spelling of princess is PRINCESS. Again we'll read together. PRINCESS. Princess. Now, when people told him that inside the house there is a princess. Who is a princess? As prince was the son of king and queen, same is the princess. Prince कौन था? King और queen का बेटा. Princess कौन हो गई? King और queen की बेटी. So, as princess was over there, that princess was cursed. I'll let you meaning of cursed, पर पहले इसका spelling learn कर लेते हैं. Spelling of cursed is CURSED. Again we'll read together. CURSED. Cursed means what? Cursed means in the olden time, जब पुराने टाइम में, you must have seen, आपने महाभारत आता है उसमें देखा है, जब वहां पे कोई भी जो बड़े ज्ञानी लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, कोई रॉन्ग वर्क करता है तो उसको क्या देते हैं, श्राप दे देते हैं। ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, श्राप दे देते हैं कि तुम आगे जाके वर्क नहीं कर पाओगे, कि तुम आगे ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे, इन सब चीजों के लिए उसको श्राप दे देते हैं। सो दैट श्राप इन इंग्लिश इज नोन एज दी cursed. So now when he heard, जब प्रिंस को पता चला कि in the mansion, inside the mansion there is one princess inside, एक अंदर प्रिंसेस रहती है, बट उसके ऊपर cursed है, उसको एक श्राप मिला है, इसलिए वो बाहर नहीं निकल पा रही है। Now the prince was fearless, वो तो डरता ही नहीं था किसी से। What he thought, उसने सोचा कि मैं इस प्रिंसेस को अब यहाँ से बचा लूंगा। I am going to save the princess from here. So for saving the princess, prince had to stay inside the mansion. Mansion मतलब भूत बंगला जिसको बोल रहे थे, means haunted house. HAUNTED. Haunted. HOUSE. Let's read again. HAUNTED. Haunted. HOUSE. That house was haunted, means ghost used to live inside that house. So inside the haunted house, prince moved inside. He spent his one night over there. उसने अपनी ONE1NIGHT, उसने अपनी one night वहां पे spend कर ली. As he spended his one night, the ghosts were troubling him. तो ghost ने उसको उन्होंने बहुत परेशान करा. He had to suffered a lot. उसको बहुत बर्दाश्त करना पड़ा. Then second day, what happened on second day? Second day comes, then second night. Second night, the same thing. The ghost was there. He was troubling the prince. Then the third night. Third night, still the ghosts were troubling the prince. How many nights he stayed over there? 3 nights. ONE1NIGHT night. Then second night, SECOND, second. NIGHT, night, 2 nights. Then THIRD, third. NIGHT, night. In the 3 nights, the ghosts were troubling the prince. Ghost जो थे वो उसको परेशान कर रहे थे. So he suffered a lot. Suffered मतलब उसने बहुत ज्यादा बर्दाश्त करा था. So we learn the spelling of suffered. SUFFERED. We'll read together. SUFFERED. He suffered a lot over there. उसने बहुत बर्दाश्त करा. Why he was suffering? वो इतना ज्यादा सफर क्यों कर रहा था? He was suffering a lot because he wanted to save the princess. He wanted to save the princess. प्रिंस को किसको बचाना था? प्रिंसेस को. That's why he was suffering a lot. इसीलिए वो ये सब बर्दाश्त कर रहा था. Because why he wanted to save the princess? Because the prince was very good. वो बहुत अच्छा था और कभी भी किसी से डरता नहीं था. उसने क्या देखा कि एक प्रिंसेस प्रॉब्लम में है, तो उसने क्या सोचा कि मुझे उसको बचाना चाहिए. इट शुड बी विद अस ऑल्सो. अगर हम देखते हैं कि कोई भी किसी प्रॉब्लम में है, देन व्हाट वी शुड डू? वी शुड हेल्प देम, वी शुड सेव देम. जैसे स्मॉल एनिमल्स हैं, ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए? उनको सेव कर लेना चाहिए. सेम द प्रिंस वाज डूइंग. प्रिंस वाज सेविंग द लाइफ ऑफ द प्रिंसेस while completing his 3 days inside the mansion. जब उसके 3 days complete हो गए mansion के अंदर, troubling of the ghosts and living inside the haunted house. ghost ने उसको कितना परेशान करा, तो भी वो उस हाउस के अंदर रहा. He lived inside that house for 3 days. Finally मतलब लास्ट में, after completing 3 days, prince saved the life of princess. प्रिंस ने प्रिंसेस की लाइफ को बचा लिया था. He saved the life of princess. Saved means किसी को बचा लेना. So we learn the spelling of save. SAVED. Let's read together. SAVED. Who saved? Prince saved the life of the princess. Now, as the princess came out, the princess was very beautiful. How was the princess? She looks very pretty and beautiful. Pretty, spelling of beautiful, BEAUTIFUL. How was the princess looking? Princess was looking pretty and beautiful. Let's read the spelling together. PRETTY. That's the spelling of pretty. किसका spelling है? Pretty मतलब सुंदर दिख रही थी. Then beautiful. BEAUTIFUL. That also means the same. बहुत सुंदर दिख रही थी. So the prince felt very happy. Prince बहुत खुश हो गया कि he saved the life of the princess. Why prince became happy? क्योंकि उसने princess की life को बचा लिया था. Princess also felt very happy. When princess was saved, then prince took her to his palace. The princess को prince ने बचा लिया था. Then prince told all his story to princess. Princess को उसने अपना पूरा story बताया. That I live in a big kingdom. My mother, father are king and queen. मेरे मम्मी पापा राजा रानी है. And I am their son, prince. And I came on an adventure. और मेरे साथ इतना सब हुआ. Then I came to see a mansion where you was inside. जहाँ पे आप अंदर थे. And I saved your life. Then princess felt very happy and she moved with the princess. वो princess उसने बोला कि मैं भी आपके साथ ही रहूंगी. Then prince moved on to his palace. Prince ने वहां से चलना start किया and soon he reached to his palace back. बहुत जल्दी वो चलते चलते अपने palace पहुंच गया. As he reached to his palace, there when he moved to his palace, in front of the gate, the persons of his palace felt very happy to see him. वो बहुत खुश हो गए उसको देख के. As he saw him, so they all went to king and queen and told them that prince is back, prince is back. So king and queen became very happy. जैसे उन लोगों ने उसको देखा, उन्होंने तुरंत जाके राजा रानी को बता दिया कि प्रिंस वापस आ गया है. So they all became very very happy. They immediately said to the workers in his palace, उन्होंने उनके वर्कर जो काम करते थे पैलेस में, he told them to bring prince inside. So one of them worker told them, उनमें से उनके एक वर्कर ने किंग को बताया that prince is having one princess also with him. प्रिंस के साथ एक प्रिंसेस भी आ रही है. So what the king and queen said, king and queen ने बोला कि okay, bring both of them inside. आप उन दोनों को बहुत अच्छे से पैलेस के अंदर लेके आइए. Now when prince and princess, जब राजा रानी के सामने कि प्रिंस और प्रिंसेस आए, so queen felt very happy. She started little crying. उसको थोड़ा रोना आ गया. Why? Because she had not seen his son from a long time. उसने काफी सारे टाइम से अपने सन को देखा नहीं था. Because he went to an adventure. वो तो एडवेंचर पे चला गया था. So her mother was worried for him. उसकी मम्मी को चिंता हो रही थी. As we are in the house, आप जैसे आप लोग हैं, you are very small, so you should not go out of your house without your mama and father's permission. Mother father के permission के बिना हमें house से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. If we move out without the permission of mother father, they will get worried. अगर हम उनको बिना बताए कहीं चले जाएंगे, so how they will feel? उनको क्या होगा? They will feel worried for us. उनको हमारी चिंता होने लगेगी. They will search for us. वो हमको ढूंढेंगे. So we should not go out. हमको कभी भी बिना मम्मा पापा को बताए कभी भी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. And we should not move out with the person to whom we don't know. हम जिसको नहीं जानते, to whom also we should not go out. Now finally, when the prince came back to his palace with the princess, what happened? The queen started crying a little bit. Queen ने थोड़ा थोड़ा रोना start कर दिया. Then what did prince said? Prince said that I am not going to save you. He said, I have saved the princess. I am regretting my mother. I'm sorry कि मैंने आपके साथ ऐसा करा. I'm not going to do it again. So what queen said? It's okay, my son. Finally you are back over here. So I am feeling very very happy. आप वापस आ गए हो. So I am feeling very happy over here. Then what the king and queen did? King and queen welcomed him very nicely. And after that, they made prince and princess married. उन्होंने prince और princess का marriage करा दिया. The whole kingdom was enjoying their marriage, and after a long time, they both enjoyed a lot. उसके बाद prince और princess दोनों ने साथ में रहना start कर दिया, and their life was very nice. Then the prince told the whole story to his mother. What was his story? His story was, as he moved out of his palace, he was very young. वो तो young था. So he was very young. So his mother was worried. जब वो palace से निकला, उसको उसने क्या क्या करा, उसको कौन मिला, how did he completed his journey, how did he came back. He told everything to his mother. उसने सारी चीजें किसको बताई? अपनी मदर को. He told everything to the queen. Then queen said, you felt so much problems. आपको इतना सारा problems हुआ, बीच में face करना पड़ा आपको. Now next time, if you want to go anywhere on any adventure, you want to see anything, you just let me know. आप हमें बताइएगा. We are going to take you with us. You should not go alone anywhere because it is not safe. If you want to see anything, we are here. Say as in our house also, for example, हम जैसे घर में रहते हैं, हमको कहीं घूमने जाना है, तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए? We should say to mama and papa, we want to go to the garden. हम लोग सब garden में खेलने जाते हैं ना आप लोग शाम को. Same was the problem with king. King or son prince also want to see everything, but वो big palace में रहता था, तो he was not allowed to see anything. But as the same problem is with us also. जब हम स्मॉल बच्चे होते हैं हमको भी परमिशन नहीं होता बाहर जाने का. बट इफ यू वांट टू सी एनीथिंग, अगर हमको कुछ देखना है, वी वांट टू सी द मूवी, वी वांट टू गो टू फ्रेंड्स हाउस, कहीं भी हमको जाना है, what should we do? We should always take permission from our parents. किससे परमिशन लेना चाहिए? Always with our parents. We move to the park without the permission of the parents, it is not safe. अगर हम विदाउट मम्मा पापा के परमिशन के चले जाते हैं, then it is not safe. हमारे लिए वो safe है? No, it is not safe. If someone catches us from the park, then who will be responsible? From where mama and father will going to find us? So if we want to go out of our house, we should always ask mama papa and always go with them. Always move out of your house with your parents only. Should not go alone. हमको कभी भी अकेले जाना नहीं चाहिए. That's end our lesson. Now, what we are going to? We are going to recall the whole of the lesson again. Okay? Let's start. Now, we have learned in the last lesson about the braveryness of the prince. हमने क्या पढ़ा था? Braveryness of the prince, as the prince was fearless. So we learn all the spelling together. F E A R L E double S. F E A R L E double S. Fearless. Then who was fearless? So Prince was fearless. Where the prince used to live? He used to live in the palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Where he used to live? He used to live inside the palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Then where Prince went? Prince went to a adventure. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. Where did Prince went? On an adventure. When he went on his adventure, to whom he met? He met an Giant. To whom he met? कौन मिला उसको? Giant. Where he met the giant? He met the giant in the jungle. Where did he met the giant? In the jungle. One other more persons he met. So many persons he met. Giant, princess, and the ghost. One more was there who was his friend. Who was his friend? He was the king of the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle? It's Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. And what did Prince got? Prince got the magical ring. Who gave magical ring to Prince? Lion gave magical ring to Prince. Then finally when he moved away from there, जब Prince वहां से चला, then to whom he met? He found a mansion over there. Means a big house. Mansion means a big house. Who was inside the house? Princess. Who was inside the house? Princess was there inside the house. Then how was the princess? Princess was cursed. C-U-R-S-E-D. Princess was cursed. Then what did Prince did? Prince stayed inside the haunted house. Which house? Haunted. H-A-U-N-T-E-D. How was the house? Haunted. He stayed in the house for how many nights? 3. We learn the spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. N-I-G-H-T-S. For how many nights he stayed? For 3 nights. THREE, 3NIGHTS, 3 nights. Finally, after 3 nights, what he did? He saved the life. He SAVED. He saved the life of the princess. Whose life he saved? He saved the life of the princess. So the spelling of princess, PRINCESS. Now what we are going to do? We are going to read all the spellings together. Okay? We are going to read all the spellings together. Let's read now. FEAR, fear. LEFF, fearless. Then PRINCE, prince. Then PALACE, palace. ADVENTURE, adventure means excited things that you want to see. Then GIANT, giant. Giant means what? Rakshas, a big monster. Then jungle, spelling JUNGLE, jungle. Then after jungle, what comes? Lion, LION. Then this is magical ring. Let's read. MAGICAL, magical. RING, ring. Then mention, MANSION, mention means what? A huge house. Then princess, PRINCESS, princess. Then what was on the princess? It was a cursed on the princess. So spelling of cursed, CURSED, the spelling of cursed. Now how was the house? The house was haunted. So the spelling of haunted is HAUNTED. How was the house? The house was haunted. Now, how many nights did he stayed over there? He stayed for 3 nights. How many nights? 3. Spelling THREE, 3 NIGHTS, nights. 3 nights. Then SAVED, saved. Who saved the life? The prince saved the life of the princess. The prince saved the life of the princess. Now we have completed the chapter. What did we learn from the chapter? हमको क्या समझ में आया chapter में से? What was the name of our lesson? It was the fearless prince. Prince fearless था. So how we should be? We should also be fearless. In the story they are saying that there was ghost. उन्होंने क्या बोला कि स्टोरी में घोस्ट होता है. But do we know in the reality is there any ghost? कभी कोई घोस्ट होता है? No, no ghost is there. So we should not be afraid of anyone. हमको कभी भी किसी से डरना नहीं चाहिए. Whatever things we want to say to someone, हमको कभी भी कुछ भी बोलना है, किसी को कुछ कहना है, so we should say. If we are not going to say, it is inside us, so it is not good. वो अच्छा नहीं है. If you are not feeling good, you are not feeling nice, मॉर्निंग में स्कूल आना होता है, कभी कभी हमको होता है कि हमारा मन ही नहीं है जाने का. So what we should do? We should say to mama that mama, I don't want to go to school today. Same in the school also. You are coming to school, you are sitting inside the class, देन सम बॉय और गर्ल इज ट्रबलिंग यू, तो हम क्या करते हैं, डर के मारे बोलते नहीं है। किससे डरते हैं? फ्रॉम अ टीचर। यू शुड नॉट बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ एनीवन। हमको किसी से डरना नहीं चाहिए। वी शुड बी फियरलेस। हमें फियरलेस होना चाहिए। जैसे कौन था हमारी स्टोरी में? प्रिंस था। प्रिंस डरता था? नो, दैट्स व्हाई ही बिकेम वेरी ब्रेव। सेम वी शुड नॉट बी फियरलेस। एंड टीचर इज द सेकेंड मदर। वो तो आपके मम्मा की तरह ही होते हैं। इफ यू आर हैविंग फियर फ्रॉम एनीवन, अगर आपको किसी से डर लगता है, यू शुड इमीडिएटली कम टू से टू द टीचर। यू शुड नॉट गेट स्केयर्ड। अगर आप डरेंगे तो आप अपनी बात कभी बता ही नहीं पाएंगे। सो वी शुड नॉट बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ एनी वन।